pleasant good evening to one and all present here. This is the webinar on Video Creation Simplified, and Mr. Jegadeesan is the director of Shalom English Academy. He'll be handling this session. Participants, is my audio clear? Yes, thank you. Okay. So Mr. Richard Jegadeesan is basically a professor in English. He was working with Satyabama University, and he started his own academy, Shalom English Academy, and so I will be telling you about that as well. And this workshop is basically for the teachers to improve our technical skills. So you don't have to worry if you're not familiar with any kind of technical or technology. Sir is here to tell us on how to use video as a tool of teaching with a lot of free softwares available online. So you don't have to be technically competent to do this, but I request all the participants to have a notebook and pen ready with you, or have a notepad open or a Word document open so that you can note down what he is telling. I'm also recording this presentation and it will be posted in the YouTube channel. The link will be shared at the end of the session. Probably like I edit it and by tomorrow I'll be uploading and sharing the link. Okay, so this workshop is basically aimed at equipping the teachers, because all of us are forced to be online. So, and the way of teaching, it should not be just like regular PPTs, which kind of get boring after some point of time. So videos definitely will help catch attention of the younger audience as well as the older audience. So this visual stimuli can help all of us, and so sir is here to teach us on how to capture videos, how to edit them, just give basic effects, add text to it, and with this background, or probably add music to it. So with this background you can explore a lot. So it is like even the last week webinar, if you had attended, Pushpa ma'am had said that it is all about exploring. Technology is all about exploring. So I firmly believe in that. So if we get the basic inputs, I'm sure like all teachers here will do wonders, and we can make our students learn better. Okay, so over to you, sir. Richard, sir.
Yeah, I welcome all the participants here. Thank you very much for the introduction about me, madam. And this COVID has made everyone to learn about how to use the technological tools to teach their subject. And so this will be very useful for them this will be helpful for them to learn everything properly. And so now I like to go into the topic and just listen here. And it's better, and I told it's a hands-on experience, but if we conduct it as a workshop, you need to download everything. But of course, everything is a free software, but you need to download everything. And I need to give each and every instruction by which you need to learn it. And here, what I am going to do is, I'm going to give you the simple commands. What are the commands and how you need to operate the software, that alone I am going to teach you. And so once you note down the ideas, later you can do it. And if you have any doubt, you can once again verify the video, or you can just text the message to me, by which I will give you the ideas. Okay, now the presentation starts. These are the free open sources which I am going to deal with today. And I don't know how many of you are familiar with these things. And these are all free softwares which you can download. The first one here is the Open Broadcaster software, which can be called as OBS. Because if you apply it in the website as OBS, you will get this software. And this is Windows Movie Maker, a default software which is already installed in your system. And this is Audacity, which you can download it. And YQD, this is YouTube downloader. This also you are going to use it today. And so I will just explain you each and everything why we are using it. This open broadcaster software, that is OBS, we are using it, we are creating some presentation on the screen, and so we can present it. For example, now I show you the video here, and the presentation and your voice, both the things together can be recorded, and it can be made as a video. And so open broadcaster. And the movie maker, we are going to use it to edit the videos. If you use a professional software, what happens means it consumes a lot of time, and moreover it consumes a lot of space, and the computer needs to be very latest advanced one. If you have an advanced software, then only you can edit the software. But here this window movie edit maker is very easy to use, and very short space is required. And Audacity, sometimes you may need to enhance the quality of the speech, enhance the quality of the sound, and sometimes there may be some noises might be there which you can reduce it. And so that is Audacity. And video maker, that is YTD, video downloader, which we are going to use only to convert the videos. There are various formats are there, MP4, MKV, likewise there are so many video formats are there, which we are going to use it to change, convert the video formats. Okay, just the first one. Why do we use a video broadcaster? Means it's a screen recorder which we are using to display the screen. What is that in your screen that is going to be recorded? And so here it is called a display capture, and here it is called there are two things. One is your presentation idea will be there, and the next one is your image. That also can be here. And so a presentation with a side-by-side, that is a video capture device you can use. All these things I will teach you now how you can do it. The next one. This is what OBS looks like. And so this is what, when you open the screen, you will get the screen. And I'll explain you each and everything. Here it is called scenes. How many scenes that you are creating? Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, likewise. Later you can compile all the scenes together as one. And here you have sources, whether you are going to capture the video or slides, images, whatever that you are going to, that is what you need to create here as the sources, which I will teach you, I will give you an idea. And this is audio mixer, and this is called recording or control sessions, which I will explain you everything. And so you can note down. Just I'm giving you the idea what the screen will look like. And here I'm giving you a PowerPoint creation, even that is a PowerPoint presentation. That also can be used as for creating simple text animations. If you want to create some advertisements, if you want to create some classroom activities, some small clippings, mostly we depend on internet, YouTube, or some softwares which are available there in the market. There are some videos that are available in the market. Those alone we are using it in the classroom. But we can create our own with the help of PowerPoint presentation. A simple tool. That also I will teach you now. Look here, this advertisement for my academy, I created it just 10 minutes one. 10 seconds one. 10 seconds video, I created it. Just listen. This is created with a PowerPoint presentation. And so now I'm going to teach you all these ideas. First, let me start with the idea. New one, that is a blank PowerPoint presentation and how it could be created into a movie. And so first thing, I'm using a PowerPoint presentation. No doubt, you all know how to use PowerPoint presentation. Using this PowerPoint presentation, how you can create simple videos. Now I'm creating a simple video and I'm inserting, you can insert a text also. Now I would like to insert an image. I would like to teach two images to the students. And so the images that I would like to teach is one as a pigeon. And so I inserted the pigeon image. And I would like to create an animation. You know how to create an animation effect. On the top you have animations. And I'm giving it as a flying animation. And so it is created. And the second one is, again I would like to insert the same image. I created it. And in which I need to add a text. And so I'm adding the text. I added the text. Now it is over. And I would like to create an animation for this text also. And so I'm giving an emphasized one. Survival I'm giving. And so this is what the second text. And the third one, I leave it as a blank one. And fourth one, I create it. Again, I would like to insert another image. I would like to insert teach rabbit. And so I created this one. And I created another image. And I create an animation effect for this one, flying in. If you want a jumping effect, you can create it as a bouncing effect. And the next image also I am adding. I added the image, and again I'm giving it the image animation, that is bouncing effect, and with which I would like to add a text here as a rabbit. For rabbit also I'm creating an animation, just giving an idea of this, okay? And so how it will look like, you can see this here. Okay, now you can see this effect like this. And after creating this, you can save it as, here PowerPoint presentation. Look here, you have a movie, Windows Media Video. This file format is called WMV. And so now if you click on this button, it will be created as a movie one. Okay, and now I'm just creating it video 1. That's it. The video is created. Once you close this button, that is only when you close your PowerPoint presentation, then only you can open that mode. Okay. Now I close this one. Let's see. Oh, it's not saved it. Okay, I saved it already. I'll just show you how it is created. This is what movie created. We need to add a sound to it. We'll do that one. Look here, I'm going to use a movie maker. This is called a movie maker. Here in this movie maker, here you can add video or photos. Okay, now we are going to collect that video which we have created, and here I have created it as a presentation 1. Okay, when you bring it again, I'm telling you, I'll close it and then again I will tell you, this is a movie maker where you are going to edit the video that you have created. Okay, and here this icon, add videos and photos. If you click on this button, you can add the videos that you have created. And here we have the video that we have created a presentation. It is added here. And here after adding this one, we need to add the sound. You can just click on this one. That is, you can just click on your space bar. When you click the space bar, the movie is created there. It is created for 25 seconds. The movie moves very slowly because you have given such time. That is why it goes like. I want to add sound to it. For example, the rabbit sound, or I would like to add the name of the 2 animals, and so that also I have already created. This is what my one, I created it, and here you can see the sound. This bottom line, the sound is added here. Now the sound is given. The pigeon. And the next one is here, rabbit. And so this is how you can add the sound, and you can save the file as, here you need to save movie as for high definition display. Since it is a small file, it can be done very quickly. Rabbit and pigeon. Look here, the time that it takes to save is, this is how it goes, and so it takes some time. If it is a long video, it will take more time. I hope that you understood this, yeah? How to create a PowerPoint presentation into a movie, and how you can add a sound to it. And if you have any doubt, you can just put your ideas here. In the chat box, you can do it.
So there's already
Do
one
you have any
question.
What is that?
So there's one question in
Yes.
the chat box. In the chat box, can we use flashback player?
Yes. You can use, the same thing can be viewed in the flash also.
Yes. And can our voiceover be recorded? Next
Yes,
question.
voiceover can be recorded. That also I will tell you. For example, here what I have done is, I have already recorded some voice, and then I added to it. And instead of that one, you can record your own voice and you can do it. And you can add here record narration. Look here, here you can record. Also can be of the scenes. Look here on the left side, it. This is called scenes, where you can, and what words. This display talks with your voice. That one, and create new display capture. Now you will get this one, and here you can change the quality of it. And so start button under the controls. You need not with all these controls. You need about this one. And here start recording. The screen is being recorded. And I will show you the result. And I would like to do this. And this presentation that we have created recently. This is a pigeon. And it should be pronounced as a pigeon. And this is rabbit. I'm just recording it. And it is recorded. Now if you stop the button, sorry, it's not recorded. Pigeon, rabbit. Now it is recorded. You can stop the button, stop recording. It is recorded in a place where you have given it the source. Yeah, once again I'm telling you, this is a scenes, and here sources. Under the button sources, you have a plus button. If you click on this button, you can have display capture. This is what you need to create. The display capture is created here, and it is already here. What, madam? Here in this plus button, if you click on, you will get a display capture under the title sources.
Okay.
And so if you click on this display capture, it will ask for a creating new one, and give OK, and this is created now. Okay, and you need not change any other thing. you can direct come to start recording, because all the other things are default one. If you want a complete screen to be captured, then you can drag it and you have got the full screen here. This is what your full screen that is going to be recorded. And you can start recording
without a layout.
Yeah, this is what the red mark, and now it starts recording. And now whatever presentation that you have, that is being recorded now. Now I am recording this one. Video creation simplified. These are the free open softwares, open broadcaster software, and PowerPoint presentation. And very simple. This is recorded now. You can see the recording now. Yeah, it's showing like this. You can have your screen share. Just experiment it. You can find it interesting. And so I told you the tools are what are the things that you need to use. Here it should be display capture, and here start recording. You want to know where the file is stored, where do the video file stores means. You can click on the settings button and you can get it from output where it is stored. It is stored here in this file format. Likewise, you can get this idea. And the remaining things are all, you can learn it one after the other. Just this is one thing. And I'm telling you the next idea. Here, I'm removing all these things. The next one, I would like to have part my video and part of it, some presentation need to appear there. How it means this like this should be here, and my presentation slide should be on the right side. Likewise, this is the next thing, for which I am going to use two things. One is image. I'm going to add an image here. Again, I'm to new image. I'm browsing for the image to be attached. And here for testing, I have created an image called this kind of. And I added this one here. And I want my image, my video should be here. I should explain what it is. I should tell what animal it is and how it is, and I need to tell the qualities of it, and so I need to add again the same thing. Look here, video capture. I'm clicking this video capture device, and here I can have my video. You can resize it. Wait a minute, I will switch on the lights. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now you got the video here. And so now you can explain your video and the image. Now you can start recording. Like here. This is a rabbit. And everyone knows that this one. I'm doing it for the recording purpose. Likewise, you can start explaining. Start recording. And it is recorded here. Again in the same platform where it is recorded. That's it. And so you can do your this kind of image, and you can explain it. Once again, I'm telling you, I'm deleting all these things. Again, I'm telling you again another idea how you can do the. What is that?
I don't mind. How you're deleting show now?
Yeah, I will tell you. Just click on the button and delete the press the delete key button.
Okay, sir. Because
Again,
when I
I'm telling
make,
you.
I'm getting so many, I have no idea how to delete all that.
Okay. The plus button to add the image. And so now in the sources, I am pressing the button, plus button, and I am adding the image. I am creating a new image, and from the browser, I am selecting an image here. The image is selected, and I am just resizing it by pressing this button. And I want my video to appear here, and so I'm just again I'm pressing the source button, video capture device, and the video is here. I am creating, and this video can be resized in any place. You can keep it in anywhere, and this is what it looks like. And so if you want to just capture this screen with the image and your video, then you can start recording. This recording can be done in a very easy way. You can keep this video in any place, here or this place or this place, or you can resize it by dragging it in any place, anywhere. You can make it smaller or very smaller, you can do it. And now I stop recording it. And look at the output that we have done. This is what the output. And so this can be done. And I hope this is also understood. Two things that I gave you: how to record the display, and how to keep the image, and you can do the presentation side by side. I did it, and so I hope you can get this idea. And is there any doubt, or you want me to explain it once again, or is it clear for you?
So clear, there's one doubt, like ma'am is asking, can we edit this video after creating? There's a question from Kavita
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, sir. We can create this video and then we can do it with Movie Maker. That is what the thing.
Yeah, we need
And
an
that
editing
also I will do
software
it.
for that, yes.
I will do it. I will explain it.
Sir,
For
and I
example.
have a doubt about, like, what is the scene 1 and scene 2 refer to? Is that you have a pre-recorded
No.
setting
This is
or-
scene 1. What you see here on the screen is the scene 1. Screen 2 is blank because we haven't created.
Okay.
We can create more number of scenes here.
Okay.
We can create more number of scene 1, scene 2, like this. This is scene 1, this is scene 2 is blank. You can do the screen 2, you can do the screen 3, scene 3. Likewise, you can create any number of scenes. Later, you can attach everything.
Or shall I ask you to
Yes.
See, sir, when I open this OBS, yours is showing only one, mine is coming in two sides.
Just go to the right side, madam, where you have on the right side, you can see the my cursor. It is
Studio?
mode.
Okay. So
On the right
mine,
side, you have controls, you have studio mode, in video. Two things will be there. And so you can, if you click the mode, you will get.
okay, so I should on to the left side, top, toolbars and all other. File, edit, view, profile, scene, collection, that one, no? Tools. The tools.
No. Right side, you have controls, madam. On the right side, you have controls.
Right bottom, ma'am.
Right
Right
bottom.
bottom. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Where you can just, studio mode is there. If you click on that button.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
thanks a lot. I got it.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I got single now.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's nice.
The next one is how to do the editing. This is what the improper create videos. but we don't know how to create and how to enhance the sound. For that also, I'm just giving an introduction. This production you need to explore it by going into it. This is my movie by Windows. You can download it. Just apply it in your Google search. If you apply Windows Movie to make it, it is free. You can download it. And here you have an option on the top, add video. Whatever video that we have created now, I will tell you how to edit it. Add videos. And we have created a few videos here. And the last video that we have created, look here, the video appears here. The video that we have created. This is what the video that we have created. And in this video, I want certain parts. I don't want some parts. Means first deleting alone, I am telling you how to delete the unnecessary part that we have recorded. One we will start. I don't want from this part. You can keep this button. This one space button. If you press play, if you press space button, you can make it again. You can play. Want of delete button, and it again I'm telling you, you can part of, if I don't need loading audio data, now it is clear. Look here. Oh, part of it. For example, I would like to go to the last part. Means again, the part. I would like to keep it at the last point, and I would like to delete it. Click it first and delete it. And now look here, it will be like this. That's it. And again, I'm telling you, where you want to split, you have to stop your playing, right click, split, and again you need to stop the button, split. I don't need this part. Means select it, press the delete button. That's it. Now I want to add a music again to it. Again, you can add the music to it, because already the music is there. And so if I want again to add, you can click this button, music, add music. You can add the music over there. The music is a 2 layers. There are 2 music there. And when you want to save movie as for high definition display. This is what the thing, one thing. And the next one is I'm again adding a video. The next topic that I'm going into, this is added here, for which I am adding a music, add music. The music is added here. Now you can save it. This is what you can do it. Sometimes, if you want to record enrich your audio, then you can use Audacity. That also I will give you a simple idea. Now I am saving it as high definition movie on the desktop. Fine. because completely it will take some time. Even a few seconds of video takes a lot of time to save it. Now it is saved. Look here, the complete video that we have captured is here. Yeah, now I want my sound to be enhanced. And for that purpose, I am doing an idea. Here, this now you are using YTD, video downloader. Now you are using video downloader. Here you have a convert option, video downloader, where you have the convert option. I am selecting my file from the desktop. This is the file, and here I am converting it MP3 layer. I hope you all know very well. MP3 layer means it is only the sound, and so I am converting it into a MP3 sound. I am getting the MP3 sounds alone outside, and it is converted. A few seconds only it will take to convert, and now the audio is converted into video is converted into an audio file. Video file is also there, audio file is also there. And what you can do means, now you can use this Audacity and where you can select the file to open. In the desktop, we have saved it as 1, 2, 3, 5 points. 1, 2 alone. File, open, and where we have desktop. 1, 2. Look here, we got the audio point. Now, Control A. I'm selecting the whole audio. And here you may not use any other tools here, because there are so many tools are here. But as far as we need to amplify our voice. We need to amplify our voice. And the second one is we need to delete some extra noises which is there inside the audio. And so I have used Control A to select all the audio, and where effect, and under the title noise reduction, get noise profile. Again, I am telling you, in this audio Audacity, I am using only effects. I am not using any other tools here. Effect, and then I am noise reduction. First, you need to get the noise profile. Once you get the noise profile, click the button, and the second time you need to go and noise profile, where it will ask for noise reduction. Always keep this default noise reduction dp and sensitivity bands, everything. Don't change it. This is a default. If you click OK, the noise is now reduced. Extra noise in your voice is reduced. If you want to amplify your voice, you want to be very your sound wants to be more attractive, we want your sound to be more clear. What you can do means, again, effect, amplify. This is what the actual amplification is, and you can amplify it 2 or 3 at the maximum. I'm giving it 3. Now the voice is amplified. Again, press the space bar. Now you can see the difference in the voice. We will match it with that one. Export. Here there is no save option is there in the file, and so only export as MP3 file format. Again, I'm saving it 1, 2, 3. Let us save there. Now I want to remove the voice from this place where movie maker. And so what I am doing is here under the title edit, home, animation, visual effects, project, view and editor. In this edit, I am just going to the video volume. I am completely shutting down. I am muting it. Now the video is muted with the sound. There is no sound is there. Now here I can fix the sound. Now again home, add music. In the place of music, I am going to add the sound that we have created. Now this is created. Look here. Now the sound is amplified. I will show you the difference between these two things. Let's stop. Now it is all done. This is the original thing that we have recorded.
So only if you are having system we can do all this stuff. We are not in the Android mobile.
No,
Is it possible with that?
No. I'm dealing with only with the system, because in the mobile, if you do it, you will not get this much of output.
Oh.
That is what I'm telling you. But better using a system.
Sir, if
Okay.
somebody takes a video with their phone, okay.
What is that?
If at all we make a video with our phone and send you, will you do it editing at some service and then give us? Is that possible? Yes.
As a friend, I can do it for everyone.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I think that's better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, thank
Is there
you
any
so
other
much,
questions
sir.
that you want to answer?
You had
Yes, of
Yes,
course,
sir.
the system. With the system only we can do it. These are the software which can be used only with the system alone.
Okay.
So
Okay.
thank you so much. I think all the participants benefited out of this. It is like how to make a very
In future, if,
professional.
while doing any, if you try to do this one, if you get any doubts, you are most welcome. You can call me at any time. You
That's
can
really
send a
nice of
WhatsApp
you, sir.
message. I will answer, reply to WhatsApp.
Yeah,
But
thank
try
you,
to
sir.
explore. These are all very easy software.
Okay, so he made it actually OBS
Any other
is slightly. Participants, on behalf of you, I thank sir for taking his time out and explaining with a lot of patience. He repeated everything twice and also made sure we understood. At the outset, it may look difficult, but once you start working on it, it will be very easy, because I was
Yeah.
also new to OBS and I started working on it just a month back. And once you start getting the hang of it, you will feel very comfortable and it's more professional rather than like using screencaster or screencast or something. Like many other softwares are there which give you like 15 minutes of recording time or so. So if you want to record a lengthy presentation or record the classes or like these Google Meet sessions like this, like now I'm using OBS to record this. So once I'll upload, I will be sending the link so that you can understand how it works. So thanks sir on all your behalf, and if any questions you can just post it in the chat box. I left a feedback form for you to fill in. Please fill the feedback, you will get an e-certificate. If there are no other questions, we can just close the meeting here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.